Kablay Pibaro, ni Priang Subhai Pi Shakana Kubor Jami, Upik Nor Kiri News. Hashua begini kami di kubor kibabnia anak janmit ngena Hashua kimat bakongsan jangko kubor mentak tayo. Yatai ki MLE halor kimat baper ke yang dorbar tauan, bat wanra menteri rangba ekamang tengka kabaduna Syahajar kendai sepak nyopo klor tengka. Yad rali geseng balang ban persya wanra lentirel hari lom jantia. Kerjaan Dr. Mukul M Sangma ban penesok dak lentirel hari lom garu. Dangjor gejeng sya krong khajana kinong rep karat nongtong haginong Asam. Ujar ke HYC Syau Additional Deputy Commissioner. Hadian Shpos ni basya akam mekipulet ke Asam, yo jamin Chancellor ke Sekolah ba USTM. Pelat Konrad Kongkal Sangma ya ke OTS scheme bat nerteli kali bekerpang dan kebentagi lineman ke MEECL. Bad, siapun ku buram kat arngut kilong kemeh ha ke International Women's Day. Ki MLA kiberan ha kaliang sensyar bat kaliang persya mentah ketayo kiletai sani halor kimat baper ha kedorbar mangtengka jong kejela. Bana kaliang menteri rangba kejelau Konrad Kongkal Sangma ulawan ra ya kamang tengka jong kejela na kebentang kesenam Arhajar Arpusan Arhajar Arpuhunriu kabeduna Syahajar kendai sepak nyopau klor tengka. Menteri rangba kejelam Meghalaya Konrad Kongkal Sangma haka santarik uleber Arhajar Arpusan ulawan ra kamang tengka kabeduna Syahajar kendai sepak nyopau klor tengka na kebentang kesenam Arhajar Arpusan Arhajar Arpuhunriu. Kabalong gomba R point kendain riau nak sispa jangka gross state domestic product. Kajing lum pisah baro kalong laipau hajar sospa kat sanklur tengka hakaba ke revenue receipt kala ken antat bagan long gomba R san hajar sanspa kenai puai klur tengka bat ka capital receipt kalong saw hajar praspa R saw klur tengka. Lat no kajing shimram kabakot saw hajar news pak prapu praklor tengka kejeng ulum pisah pat lakhen bagan kot arpusan hajar ndreus pak arbunyo klor tengka long Konrad Kongkal Sangma babenrap bagajeng plot barok kan kot komba lai pau hajar lai klor tengka haga baga revenue expenditure lakhen komba arpo hajar sans pak san punreu klor tengka bat ka capital expenditure kalong kendai hajar saw pak saw punyo klor tengka. Menteri rangba ulong bagi jingken yang kejing pulut barok kalong ar punyo hajar sanspa kandai punyo klur tengka lanyo kejing siu karam kabakot ar hajar saus pa handre klur tengka. Uli itu bagi jing siu kasut jong kesenam ar hajar arpusan ar hajar arpun riau lakhen kumba si hajar lais pa saw punyo klur tengka. Bat kejing siu bai bam temen kalong si hajar praspa arpusaw klur tengka. Kumta lawan ra kambang tengka kesenam ar hajar arpusan arpun riau kabaduna da Syahajar kendai sepak nyopo klor tengka. Ulong barengkat kemang tengka bapura lawan ra'ru kemang tengka halor ke climate, youth, gender but sustainable development goals. Ulong ru bagamang tengka kedai kebedan ke thong jong kejing kiu seprang kejing penkai kikam ba kejing penjanai ke bahagamiat kenong chong kajela.
The government's commitment section, I would like to announce the Chief Minister's Scholarship Scheme, a new flagship program that will benefit 80,000 youths from the next financial year. A grant of 6,000 per annum will be provided to all post-matriculate students to enable them to cover educational expenses. Budget estimates 2025-26. Sir, for 2025-26, I have estimated the total receipts at 30,415 crores, of which the revenue receipts are estimated at 25,591 crores and capital receipts at 4,824 crores. Excluding borrowings of 4,788 crores, the total receipts are estimated to be 25,627 crores. On the expenditure side, I have estimated the total expenditure at 30,003 crores, of which the revenue expenditure is estimated at 20,556 crores and capital expenditure at 9,447 crores. Excluding repayment of loans of 2,406 crores, the estimated total expenditure is 27,597 crores. Interest payments for 2025-26 are estimated at 1,347 crores and pension payments at 1,824 crores. I am therefore presenting the budget for 2025-26 with a fiscal deficit of 1,970 crores, which is around 2.96% of the GSDP. I'm delighted to highlight that the fiscal deficit has been maintained below the permissible limit of 3.5%. Sir, along with the main budget document, I'm presenting the climate, youth, gender and SDG budgets. The size of the climate budget for 2025-26 is 5,421 crores, an increase of 20% over 2024-25. Youth budget stands at 3,329 crores, an increase of 16.6%, and gender budget stands at 6,219 crores, an increase of 25%. Sir, in conclusion, I would like to reiterate that this is a people's budget and all our interventions and programs are citizen-centric. While there is more work to be done, the government's performance is evident in the many development projects and the state DBT programs that are being implemented and the opportunities that are being provided to youth, women and farmers. I would like to thank the citizens, the community leaders, government employees, the uniformed forces, grassroots functionaries whose support inspires me. Together, we can all make Meghalaya a developed state by 2032 and achieve the Meghalaya Mission 10. Mr. Speaker, sir, with these words, I now commend the budget to this August House. Rublai, Mutela, and Jai.
UMLA nagaseng VPP naganot Shillong constituency uba adal bat nongrom hagalai tarik ulber arhajar arpusan ulam ra eka zero hour notice hagdor bar mang tengka jong jela hakabedai bat gejingrai ka mat chaprang tourism promotion group ban penlong ya gejing ki akmat ka secretariat halo gejing mam trek ketnat MEECL ban penjelan show ya gejing IY ka jaka haba jubab ya ka zero hour notice menteri sarkar uba kami ketnat boarding ueti mondal ulong baha kabede bagajing ai lease ni IY ka jaka hapung umyam sya kini ka kenhon kabadai kabladap mani penbet da kajing yakran ulong ba kadulan nong lumpong deng kabadan hakapung umyam ha jaka kaba silak ndru pusawajar nyo spa kandai kunyo point sau pra square meter lani sau po point nyo ar akar kadai kabalalong try de MEECL ha kaba jaka kaba coach akar la IY ha kania ka MTPG na kabentas posnam nanduk ka nyo terik urempang syajar kandai spa kandai punyo haduk handru terik urempang ar hajar nyo ba gejing sio ka baywai ka long 10,000 tengka sisnam bat kandan gejing penkio ka basan na kasispa amana kasnam Menteri Sarkar ulong bai kini kejaka mentala dan kam na Sarkar banle ki kampan roy ki babon batla pentip syu chairman jong kini ke MTPG bahkan dan syu kejing penjelan mat IY kini kejaka hadin bagajing IY ka lakut no akan lai poetrik no apra ar hajar ar pusau uleto bana kalang chairman ke MTPG hakshiti ka bahaka kat santri kula lengkot ar hajar ar pusan ula kerpat ke MEECL ban penjelan dengan kejing IPOR kenang ba anla ban jem kia kini kamat bat kibor kebede kimi kumtai kene gejing kerpat la pediang bat la penjelan hadok kakat santrik urempang ar hajar ar pusan ban ailat banyak cekmat ban le akabadan kam kat kum ka close ka bahnyo jong ka land lease agreement
Machaprang Tourism Promotion Group has added a boat house which is the first of its kind in Meghalaya and even in the northeast. Honorable Mr. Speaker, sir, through the years since 1997, the tourism promotion activities at Lumpong Deng has brought revenue to the government and given employment to not just the family of caretaker who reside on the lake island, but to many others in the surrounding local economy as well. So after 27 years, a barren patch of land in the middle of Omnyam Lake, which government earlier did not bother to give much importance, today stands out as a beautiful and valuable tourist spot, thanks largely to the visionary and extraordinary effort of Michael CM. We should appreciate for his effort. In fact, Mr. Speaker, sir, the question I ask in this 0 hour is for the government to consider. On one hand, you are denying renewing lease of MECL land to a local tourism promotion group which has brought much value to the state. And yet, on the other hand, you are offering similar MECL land around Omnyam Lake to big-time investor. Let the people judge.
I quote, if the land is at any time before the expiry of the period of this agreement required by the board corporation for its own use or for any purpose of the board, the lessee shall, after being served with 1 month's notice, vacate possession of the land and the building, and the board or its successor shall have the power to use the land. The lessee shall, however, have the right to remove all the buildings and structures erected by it on the land within a period of 1 month. Sir, as raised by honorable member, we have taken this matter very seriously. We have given the opportunity to the lessee also, and we had extended discussion with him. Our intention is not that we want to snatch away, but what we are doing as per the original agreement, as per clause 7 of the agreement. The matter has been discussed with the lessee, and I can tell the honorable member that the matter has now been resolved.
UMLA Kamaulai constituency uba bright Starwell Marbanyang haga santarik ulber arhajar arpusan. Ulawanra ekamat yatai nega short duration discussion haga bede bagajing ni akak kubor lor kejingkran Menteri Sarkar uba Kerman Cela. Kapoong, ai bagi pat kejantia kenrai lor kelentiral nai tuklar ke Banabar. Uniu MLA ke VPP ulang bagian kejingkran uba Kerman Cela kalau ke Bamyahap ku Menteri Sarkar bar ula penram jor ke kejingkran namar bagari tang ban pen paria ya kejut benrio. Ulang ru bagaseng VPP kam persya iki kam penroy ne ke rel kitmar kam tam haba kam dap tiang than ya ke rel kit brio. Baru ulang ba anla ban yo eglentiral tang la dan ya ki atiar ke bakhan ki panla mentek lakam ke jingwan rum kerthep ki beri ko nabar. Namar wat menta klem ke jingdon ke rel la saki ke jingwan rum kerthep ki brio ki banabar bakala jurbha. Ulang ru haswa ban penterikam ya ke rel de man penterikam syak in line permit. Halor kini kamat la yoru ya kejing isim benta jeng babun ki MLA haga bede bagajing temu ban snai kelentiral haga babun kelapan pau kejing sokya kejongki. Banda keliang unong yalam keliang persya ula kentu ke sarkar bagari banlum da kejing yalang menetai sani halor kini kamat. Menteri rang ba kejelau Konrad Kongkal Sangma haga santarik uleber arhajar arpusan ula pentep haga yang dor bartawan kejela ba ke sarkar syan kan salum kejing yalang bar barok kisang san pertai bar ki kenhon ba per banyak keren lor kalentiral baru ulang ba ke sarkar ke boha kamat kejing sngo pat ba bar ke penyach kamat gini ke project aden kejing selok bar yo kejing menjor lang na baro. Ula pentep bagi sarkar India kelawan ra kejing terwa ban penia sok lentiral syaman ki kendong kencrot bad hajan baro kinong ba ki jela. Batang ke jela Meghalaya kebelah syai klem kejing penia sok lentiral. Balada kido akan ika kenti kumta om tip syuk lano kum kene ka kabu kanwan bia.
We are in favor of railway connection in the state, but this can only happen if there is proper mechanism. Check or proper mechanism should be in place so as to see that there is no influx in the state. The people are still skeptical as far as the railway connection is concerned, and we still stand by it that until and unless there is proper mechanism, like for example in the other tribal states in northeastern part of India, like for example in Mizoram, Nagaland, they do have certain mechanism to check the influx, especially of illegal immigrants by way of inner line permit. And I do request the government that Before we think of implementing or bringing railway connection in our state, we should first bring the inner line permit within our state. And I would also like to take a strong exception to the statement made by the minister, where he said that outsiders don't interfere. I don't know what does he mean by the word outsider, whereas I am concerned. I always use this phrase, Krendiam upnar, ubhoy uwar, maram lingam, udi upat khasi bayar. This means that as a Khasi, we are one community, united, and through the statement made by the Honorable Minister, I find that he was trying to bring what is known as divisive politics among the Khasis, which I strongly condemn the statement made by the Honorable Minister. This is with regards to sustainable development. And in the same way, I would like to state that, yes, as a state and as a community, we do need development, but not at the expense of our existence and the identity of our community. And without proper mechanism, it might lead to the change of demography in our state. And before I would like to wind up, I would like to state that yes, we do need inflow of tourism, inflow of goods and services in our state, but we don't need influx, especially of illegal immigrants.
Is it the railway that we're against? Because if we say that, then that's a position we're taking. But whereas the issue is not railways, the issue is influx. And therefore, it is only when we bring people together can we move from this position of negotiating on positions and coming to discussion on issues. And find a way whether we can actually address all the issues concerned by taking a different position compared to what position we had earlier. And that's the basic rule of negotiations. And therefore, I think this it'll be a very positive way, and I would like to share that we will be calling a meeting, number of meetings. We will get our stakeholders together. Let us put everything on the table. Let us try to discuss, thrash out issues, and see if there is a possibility for us to move forward. So this I would like to state, sir, as a general statement in terms of all the railway connectivity in the state. Sir, I also would like to state this, and this is something that will be one of the important points that we'll mention while the meeting happens. And I'll say it now because the whole state is listening. That Government of India, sir, has now moved the proposals for railway connectivity to every corner of the state, to almost all the state capitals. We may be one of the few or maybe the only one left today which will be left without a rail connectivity. Sir, it's not like a warning that I'm trying to say, but it's a fact that I'm trying to mention. That maybe if we miss this bus, I don't know when this opportunity will come again. And maybe we're looking at 20 years, 30 years down the line, when we look back and say, well, should we have thought of it in a different way? And I would like to clarify the stand of the government, what we are here for and what is our statement, what is our stand. And as I said, for us, yes, the railway project is important. Yes, we feel it will be a very important economic development for the state. And yes, we will be losing out if we're not able to move forward. But we will only move forward when we are able to consult and take the stakeholders on board and get a general sense so that we are able to move in a positive manner forward. Therefore, this discussion can only happen once we start engaging with the stakeholders. And as suggested by the Leader of Opposition, I would want to take that route of calling the different political parties and the different stakeholders.
Hakahnya terglober Hajar Arpusan. Menteri Ketenaga Putih Kejelau rakam esang mau lepentip bagi yang dor bartauan Kejelah bakat sangat kibreu kila syakem halor ke jing dan keti ha ke jing dak tu ke jing keli jang ke examen Meghalaya Teacher Eligibility Test MTET ha ke senam Hajar ka kendai. Ha berjumpa ke jing keli ke belawan ra do rupa marak ke yang dor bar na ke yang rakam esang mau loong mana kini kat sangat ke bela syakem ki kentop lang ya ki kat wengot ki samla pule ke bele ke examen MTET. Menteri Ulayatho bagi jinglat tu ke jingkeli ke dino program developer badunang tray jangka Nacom Impression Printing Press Guwahati. Ulang bayakan ke jinglat tu ke jingkeli layok ban nengkong ha Ketura Government College West Garo Hills. Bad ula kular bagi sarkar kan sashim ikisenjam ban pentikna bakum kini ke jingja kin om jashu.
Sir, yes. B, sir. Sir, 11 persons. C, sir. 14 persons have been arrested. D, sir, the program developer and employee of Nacom Impression Printing Press Guwahati. E, sir, Tura Government College Press College Tura, sir.
Komisi Benta ban persyaajor ke jing tumu ban wanra ekelentiral Harilom Jantia. Hak sengi palai jong katayo ke Jantia National Council kalau penelong yaka Black Flag Rally hak Riat hak District East Jantia Hills. Haga babun teli kisang bhalang kilawan ban Shim Benta ban pen ia kadak ban persya yaka lentiral. Ya kini kerali lawan ban ajeng kersyan pada Shim Benta di kisang bhalang ki benar Rilom Jantia ki berkentuk FKJGP, JNC, MPUF bat kiwe-kiwe. Ha keba kilara igi lama yong ki jing thok ki bela penpa ki jing persya banwan kelentiral bat kila perta jamru bah ka jaka banwan ra kelentiral de banwan ra igi kam pedroi ki berkentuk igi jing te ka college sarkar ki jaka ajing sumar bat ban shnai surok ban pensuk ki galit kawan. Kadba kani karali kerangnya cekamat gidukan jogi bamdai ki kasi kilakang kerdap lot balapan kot ikan negarali hapelau jaka office rekam u deputy commissioner ha ka balapan longpat ke jingelang. Kinong yalam seng bhalang kila dawana ke sarkar bagade ban penduk pendam no agajing tubu banwan ra ya kalentiral ha East Jantia Hills namarkan no senyang tang ha ke banwan ra ya kajing rung kertap ki breu ke banabar. Bakan aji mentoi tang ki company penmi do bilat ki badan ha kathang. Kila barangnya meru belarak sarkar kia cekamat bakan ni kejing tubuh kuntek seng halang kecim di senjam ki beteng batkin om snow yeru lara syasat patok.
You percaya railway, you percaya, you percaya, you percaya, you percaya.
Saipung, neba mandawan kata ke nutirel, dawyogi kata ke land compensation kawaha. Nete dah lam kami, wikralang ikam ke JNC, upi kisang balang na po Saipung, upersa tuwa lagi paipa. Wahadukan nukta ko, ya gani ke distrik kayong i, waya ka state himara kami, lana gani ke sarkar, elad ko, wagani ke railway, uwan ko, haini po distrik kayong i. Tempawa ya kejing singaw pula, wa ila, gani ke sarkar India, lembah kata ke NFR, ke North East Railway Frontline, wa uwan raya kata ke Lutiral, cagani ke state kayong i, lene cagani ke distrik kayong i. Cibon kimat jingdawa ada boy kimat ke sarkar India, nado ke jingdawa wa pempsia, ya ke keten kasi apa ke Edshidil, hado ke jingdawa. Wapang kerakamnya ke ILP dan kisah balang napa Meghalaya wat ila kam ke JNC hakisnem ki wadadet dujol la yaki hado hadelhi hajan riwa kajai bro ke yang i Henry ke wasnyamsi atau hadam ni sengi ke sarkar India dang le kamum snya kamum yoy ke ni ke jingdawa ke yang i Henry mandapa ya ke ni ke railway yoy kani ke sarkar India man ko interest hado kata wanra kani ke railway kani da persuba jor i kam ke JNC woyale se kani am kada ko chalende am ke jingcha pressure ke ki ha kita ki cement plan neba kamu di tipi kini ki cement plan ki wa am ini bon ki office ki wa ha ki am ge pot Delhi apa Kolkata yoyale se kani to ke jingcha pressure na gini ki cement plan kamu dah orang kini kelama cuayang ah, wakini kisinan plan parawan gici ni catan yang i, orang dia kewan raya kerja kepar, yo iki ekre dia kebiri kerja grup yang i, lagi kan kenduk yang i, handle ada lagi kita kisinan plan, dah sudah kita le, gimana kini kawan kistet, hado kamu, wakata ke distrik yang i, ke state yang i, tulat ka, haka pura ke putih, wakini kan kenduk yang i, waman ki wafit, okre kita ki post ki wama kisinan plan, lada pagi nado ki security guard ila kita kijat buruk yang ibu membar ke ma ukra tangkam ki security guard yo da bon suno kitkar bihar kitkar ki wona wituan ki step lada pagi ha kita ki department kam ki accountant ki department ki oper yo da dap suno kitkar le kadwa kijat buruk yang iman ki nong racha ki nong ra thanyamu kaita possible plan tekani ka daw pensuba jorgo yi kam ka JNC wa yona se kami to kabut yang kini ki malwari lene yang kita ki cement plan wa wandra ya kini ka lutiral hapo ka distrik ka yang i nado na la rambai hado clear 30% to kidukan yang kitkar nado kidukan cement kidukan hardware kidukan wadai yang kita ki plate na yung ya kita ki tiar wachna pankana sudo yang kitkar ke yang mar kita mawanna wapun suki kita ki mar to yang kitkar kami to kadau ba chalendet wa kani ka sarkar doni banta ki jingman to yang kachimet hungo banda ya kani ka riwo ka jai buru yang i ha tibi lewan kanal suku kin mar na ba henry ka jingkali yang maru kitka yang i mo yang kitkar na hadon ne kisni kinamrat ki yang i lene kita kinong khayi ki yang i wang puji ki punni hado kata kita ki marret ki yang ki lene kita ka business ki yang ki OM kami dah kerau wakit ni cegoti lene mini curi tuan ki step henry kaya ka dapat jalan de to ka jing yang ngawang pi yang ki bru ki wanabar henry ka jing jot yang kamar yang ka jing sma ka jing tung wa ka jing sir to ka yang pi tangkat te wang pram karal kan ni roi ki dikit khar chini ladawan patan sakaral ngawang pi i tang punman randi kami la dam jingna yaman kama po Tripura mandalai randi kitre chunang kitre muluk chadat chakamang mo kita ki barjala ki wan po Bangladesh la ki wituan ki step ngawang pi kadwa dangam ki kon kunro ki wang ngakam pi ki wan kaman sen yela ne benta kari wa kajai bru kani kajai bru dang imga karwa ka lama yang ka JNC dang kawaga kari jaintia dang chnanga lada ka sarkar ya kani ka railway ngawang ya ka sarkar penhe ya ka jail wa ma to joy ne ba i ki khona ka JNC mani ki wada pangkhra wongin lada habi wo changjel lada habi wo iti ka jingim ko yang i ne benta ka paten commander ka yang i mani ka wada krai kama ne ya luti da khla yang i wo kya nang ba wo yap ne benta ka paten ka yang i ile to mani ki wada khra lada habi yap habi josnam habi changjel ne benta ka paten yang kari wa ka jai bru ko yang i lada ka sarkar ko ga wan raya ke development ila do ka te ka railway ma pa ba ka development ha umang development ni da kivi ka civil hospital ka waya mahine pa cleariat tang ka tha sumar wan puam ila da wan ra ka sarkari ka te ka tha sumar ka tem to ka development do ka te ka railway ka development usau si wong wa ka sarkar do bog ya kita ki agent ki angka ki wa comments ha ki YouTube ha ki Facebook percaya ki wa percaya dongi ladawan ka rally ki sen balang do ya kata ka jingkrong ko yang i ka jingkali ya rokrang i ma ki pulis ma ki pulis ka sarkar ma i ki sen balang to i yeni ne benta yang pri ki ba i do mani kam kita ki den chanda ha pergi ki mlang ka salang ka jingben ki jingkno to ya i hendrai ga wang e pi ka jat bru dang thngan go to dang em ki sen balang ki wa mi ha surok ki wa yeki ne benta ka da ba da san yang gari ba ka jai bru yang i lada ka sarkar ko ga wan raya ka development apa ka district ka yang i apa ka state ka yang i ya ka government college ya ka ta ka thau sumar ka biang ya ki roi ki par ki wa yes ket wan ra ka jing menta ya pat ba kengo wa cakitan saipung cakitan sumer kita nongkle dang bon kinong rep la dawan karal we ka wanang kong ukta go to da ukta go ya ka thau rep ka thau yang ka yang phi wan kita ki jhur da ki rel na po Bihar na po Assam kini kinong rep ki yang i ki wa rep hapo ka district ka yang i hapo ka state ka yang ki da cha kentai kita ki jhur ka yang ki ila kwa i gender la san po to likis nam de ye wim kan ni ila Muhammad wimi uca citomi de benta upne upn saya paten kari wa kajai bru kayangi usurak nado usdang kajain ti ado wakut yo isiu Henry ka sarkar chongkni kti ga halar kani tensar yo lese bagani kajing pantame yo ka sarkar yo paipa wawan ra ka lutirel yo penmelin ya ka development ko iam kami hapo ka district kayangi hapo ka state kayangi yo lese kani to kajing temu wa divert lene wa yelam baka ya kajing mud yang patba ne ba yo ya kini kisni ki wala de ko sarkar dan ga ya kajing temu wan ra ya forlen sagani ka than ga yangi dan ga kajing temu chuna ya surat na do na la sutnga ter chado cha sai pun chado cha asam yo sar kani kajing temu
Kad bahari long khasi bat jantia kidang persyak banwan ra kajing penyeso da kalentiral. Menteri Rang Bak Barim Kejelapan Dr. Mukul M. Sangma ha kesing palai jong ketayo ulapan pau bakalong ke bakongsan ban penyeso da kalentiral hari lom garo. Kenang ban kentiu ke yok kokot bat ban pensuk ya kalet kawan jong kipat ba. Habai kena mikinong patai kubor Dr. Mukul M. Sangma ubelong nong yalam keliang persyak. Ulaong bawa ajeng kersya ne kejing dawa ban penyeso ekeri lom garo da kalentiral. Namar kalong ke bakongsan bah ban wara kejing kela bat ban kentiu ru ya ke yok kokot. Ulaong bagajing penyeso da kalentiral hapdeng ka Meghalaya bat kari Bangladesh kanwan ra kejing kela ya ka Meghalaya bat ka than chite lam mingi hi barok kawai. Ulaong baleng bagane ka project la ne kejing temu ban penyeso ya ka Southwest Garo Hills sya ka jela West Bengal ka baniat leng ba ka Bangladesh ka ban pendunai kejing jengai jong kalit kawan bat kan kentiu ru ya ka kam khai pateng. Uletu bahas 6 arhajar katsan latha ka high level committee banwat kilat kelenti bak ladon ru kejing kran hapdeng kari India bat kari Bangladesh. Kajing jengai na Meghalaya ban net West Bengal leng ba ka Bangladesh kan long tang 4 kilometer. Kumta kan warra kajing kala hagalat penyeso kalat kamai kaji bat kan kentiu ru ya kajing singanya kari laong shosho Dr. Mukul M. Sangma.
Wherein members were drawn from West Bengal, from Meghalaya to engage with our counterpart in Bangladesh to have an alternative access for the Northeast through Meghalaya to the other parts of the country, in addition to the existing alignment of access to other parts of the country to North Bengal. You see? So these particular proposed alignment of connect to other parts of the country through Bangladesh was examined. There was a committee constituted, and the proposal that revolved around was to have the nearest point from the eastern border of West Bengal with the western border of Meghalaya. That's why you have seen that this particular issue has found a space in the budget speech. So the alignment is from West Bengal border to Meghalaya, Southwest Garo district, my native place, okay, across Bangladesh, and connecting West Bengal at a place called Hili. There's a counterpart in Bangladesh also, Hili in India, in West Bengal, and Hili in Bangladesh, and to Southwest district of Garo Hills. You know, so this particular transit through Bangladesh for railway is the particular proposal which was examined by that committee and appropriately taken up bilaterally with the involvement of the concerned ministries of both the union, means our union government with the counterpart Bangladesh. These particular connect with Southwest Garo Hills Southwest Garos district, and Hili in West Bengal across Bangladesh is just around 100 kilometers. You will see the map, of both India and Bangladesh, where you will see, the portion of our international border along the eastern part of West Bengal comes protruded towards the east. And our distance from Meghalaya border to that particular border in West Bengal is just around 100 kilometers. So you can understand the overall benefit which will this particular mega project can bring for the whole country. The access to other parts of the country, not only from economic perspective, it is also from security perspective. Keeping in mind that Bangladesh as a neighboring country has always been our friendly neighbor. Okay, we need to engage bilaterally. This is a geopolitical part, which I leave it to the government of India. But I think all along in the past, after the liberation of Bangladesh, India had a friendly neighbor. As far as Bangladesh is concerned, this particular issue must be addressed from the geopolitical perspective by Union Government of India. And we, from the Northeast, have always taken this particular issue concerning the friendly neighborhood with Bangladesh from Northeast perspective. Because any problem in our bilateral relationship between India and Bangladesh has its ramification for the northeastern part of the country. All through the years, and I have reasons to be optimistic that this will continue and we will ultimately be able to give that connect from Southwest Garos district to the other parts of the country through by connecting Hili in West Bengal through Bangladesh. That is automatically going to transform our whole socio-economic landscape in the region. The access to market and open up new avenues of entrepreneurship, business, trade, commerce. And our desire to have access to the nearest port, which is the nearest port for the Northeast, through West Bengal only. And other than that, through Bangladesh, we can always have a nearest port, that is Chittagong.
Tang hadian magasang Voice of the People's Party kelayalam yak Executive Committee haka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council. Kasang Nyotrap Youth Council HYC kelalit ikendu yo Chief Executive Member ka KHADC ubak Syambarlang Renja ban kitbok kit riang bat ban ai kuble yu. Bat keladawaru bomdai ban ai trading license pathar syagibrio ki bamdai ki khasi ki batmu ban sedang ya kakam kai pateng ka jongki. Ginong yalam ke HYC haka santere uleber ar hajar arpusan kilalit bani kendo yo CEM ka KHADC ubak Syambarlang Renja ban ai kublai hadian bula syimti ya kene kakam. Haka baga seng kala kitbok kit rubiang ru ya ke Executive Committee jongka VPP bagan la ban trekam kombaglada ban kular. Habagaran gila patai kubor hadian kejing kendo ubak roy kepar sendram u Presiden ke HYC uleto ba kejing mane kendo jongka seng kalong ban kitbok kit rubiang yo CEM batmai bat ban ai jingmut ru halor ki South Lee kimat. Ubaroi kepar sendram mulai tu berkeseng kelekentu yak Executive Committee bahkan pentrekam purai yak kendon trading by non-tribal regulation kat kendai sepasan puai. Kabal keren syai berkumno ke EC kala aban ai bat kentat yak trading license. Daga benrap berkeseng kala yo ban ai jingmut yak EC bahkan benrap dekat kendon ba om barok ki brio ki bamde ki trajela baiklah aban apply ke trading license. Ndrei datang ki belah ka bat belah he alasan ke jela kila aban apply. Nalor kani ke HYC kala kedau ru alor ke jingdan kam bah ka isi kan buat dian bha ya ki kontraktor ki buan pentrei nak benta ki kam jong ki office ka sarkar pedeng bagi jaga spai berjaya lat ya ki kendon trading license. Uba roi kepar sendram mulai tu ru bah kani ke jing kendo layo ban pensno ho CEM ya ki jingdan kam ban pendu ono e ke jingle benami hakari khasi ya ke bakdo balada ke isi kan perkeng ya ke jing ai trading license ki bamde ki trajela. Kenti ke besuk tam ya ubam dari trajela kalau manlek dak benami. Uba roi kepar sendram mulai turu bah kene kejing kendo layok ben pensengau lor kamat bandan kejing khot ya kom tungkam haka KHADC. Namar dak post nam ka KHADC ka ya lat iki kendon ke service rules kat kendai spa and berkuai jong ka council. Hagan ni gajing kendo le keren ru halo kajing dan kam ba ka isi kan syemi kilat kelenti kumno banyadai ki cloud gi betap ki talong Da ka bakadau bak district council ka don ki cloud gi betap ki lau adong bat ki beki bai. Mrai ki snam ki balalet I kumba kini ki cloud ka district council ki long tangkum ki jaka ban pin mi pisa jongno. Da ka badia wat ki diang na kini ki cloud. Ulong ru bana kaliang kaseng kan buat dian bat kan ya trelang bat ka HDC ka bede bak jing pedurlong ya ki mat bala jing mut ha ka kesni.
Kajing ading mut ka baningkong hot nila UI ya kajing kren jong CM hat pasni marsen wanra lane marsen shimti ya shuki kum CM ulong ba ka isi kan pet lane kan wat ikilat kinenti ban penti kena ba kajing kum jam hang ni hapo jong ka district council kan long ka da ka rukom ka bakuit ka basuba imla banlen bah kini ki snam ki balalet kat kum ka report jong ka CAG jong snam aja kha khandai kala don gajing ong baka karukom tungkam tungjam hang ni hapo district council kamlong ka bukut ka suba ndrei ka ngimdei ban klat pat baka district council ka don ya ka service rule jong snam ka khandai spa ndrukuwe bat hakata ka ju ka service rule ada bantua bakinu ki kam ki balai hapo jong ka district council dei ban khot advertisement dei ban khot advertisement bat ban pelong ya kita ki examen tungkam la ne ki interview tungkam bakum ta ter ndrei yakini ki kendon jong ka service rule jong snam ka nice pat ndru purwei ni sosi ban ong bale asia kini ki post nam hang ni ki post nam ki balada om shim la pentrikam bat ka jing tungkam tungjam hang ni apot des council kala shulong bet lada don ka jing adai bat uno ubashong ka shuki kita ki bahaya ngasem ki parlok parjor ki nong kershan ki yo lat bandrum kum ki nong tre tengi kuat baka isi ke batmai apok ke jengelam jong CM u badan buram u basyong banta ke syuki kidai ban penti kena banang ni syakmat kan isi ke banta kam dei ban pentrikam kam dei ban pendon kam ya kabor yo da kabor be da kabor bantung kam ya nu bat ban but renti bet ya ki kendon ki bala don lepa hakani ka service rule jong khak nice pat rukwe don kam ngim da don kam ban wanra de kinu ki an la da dei bepentri kam tang ya kata ka service rule khak nice pat rukwe ru natrai kala biang na dong sedong nomar kani ke jingle jong ka district council hakini ki post nam ki balada banom khot advertisement banom pelong ki kinu examen ka pelong ki kon samla jong ki khamtam ya jong ka jai pendrio ban du jingkerman ti ban banom yo ya kalat bakin yo kam yo jam hang ni apu isi te kata ka diga jing ajing mut ka jongi ban ong ya ka isi ka batmai baka dei ban but nanti ya ka service rule ka nice part rukuai bat ban penti kena baka tungkam tung jam hang ni apu des council nang ni syakmat ka di ban long hakalenti ka badai bat ka bakuit ka basuban ladap kila syem yi initiative kumno ban penkuat ya ka ba umkra ya ka umserpi bat kiwa nang iba kini ki ni shu iba i kumpa ki sudai tang ki jaka ban supulut ya ka pisah klem dayo i ya unu so ubami na kata kajing penkut ya ka ba umkra na kata kajing penkut ya ka umserpi bukum ta ter ni kwa ko ka isi ba menta kadai ban tre ya ka kam ban peniru ya ka so namar kam don jingmut ban supulut ka ya ka pisah daki pokrur ban pulut aku ban penkut ya ka wa umkra ya ka umserpi bukum ta ter la dangim yo i pat yung taw so nama ka umkra ko makalong mentang i kan dang ne kita kajing jambo kan ba ka pisah pat si naka council ban kiwei pat ki tanat kala nang lut ti mdei tang kata mdei tang ya ka wa umkra nri wat kiwei ki wa ro belas dang bandu lan dia ban don kajing ma ni kwa ba is ka council ka ban ka isi ka ban syem ya kajing kitli ban penim ya kita ki wa ban penti kena begini ki wa ki badon ang dia po rilum khasi ke jongi kinom du bat ka besar ke jing ajimut ka baka seng kelabu hakmat jong ka jong CM ba jong ka isi hi kalong ba hadien baka isi le sinang ni syakmat kan penduna no ya kata ka jing ai train license ni non tribal ka igalenti ka ba kabasuk tam yung non tribal ban yo ya kalat ka kabu ban khayi ni kalenti ka basuk tam ki ka lang ba ka jing pendon kam ya ki parado ki parsnam ki jongi hi ban kam kenti lane ban kam long try ya kidukan ban kam long try ya ki business ba fair ngilai i nakapor ba khanra na kalian do district council aba khanra na ki kenhun ki ba fair ha ki dukan khar lani ki nuki jaka ki ba ki no way ki le business ni i ba ki ba mi syakmat ki bri ki jongi ba kam try bat kani ka pen i ba ka jingle benami hang ni apo rilum khasi ka jongi bat hakeleng ki jaka do ka jala ka jongi ka long ba kala bun sa palat ka don kata ka jingle benami tanakaleng jo ka seng ngila ai jingmut ya ka isi nang ni syakmat kadai ban hawi kilat kelenti kumnu ban penting kena bakani ka jing le benami jong ini ki brio ki jongi ki ba million ban mi syakmat ban kam try ya ki dukan ya ki jakale business lani ki kam khai pating jong ki wei pat ki brio ya ki bakum kita ki brio umdai ban chusha jam dai ban penting kena bakum kita ki brio ki balik benami dai ban pensitom ki kat kum ki kendon jong kaan bat maki kita ki brio ki bakam bakilong try dah balik benami ki hak ban i ke jing shisha bakilong try shisha lo kata halor kita gidukan ki bagi sukam try tena kalian jong seng ngila ai kini kijing ajing mut akhmat jong siam ban ngila ongru ba ka seng ka kloi ban ya trailang ban ya ajing mut nakapor sakapor lada usiam bat ka isi gidon kam kijing ajing mut ka jongi ban kalian jong seng ngin but din ru ya kini kijing ajing mut nakapa penting kenapa ka isi kan pentri kam ya kini kijing ajing mut ki ban kalian jong seng ngila bu akhmat jong siam mentasi
Hakasimba arjung tayo laingut kibriu Clemenceau haba kalami kajing tungko kali ke Surak Chelong bypass kabadan hajan kasnong umroi nongra ha ka distrik Riboy. Ha kajing jai tungko kali laingut kibriu Clemenceau hadian bagawai tata sumo kali tungko bat ka kali Marti 800 ke belajak Surak Chelong bypass hajan kasnong umroi nongra ha kapor sau beje jan mi ai jong kesal terik leber ar pesan. Kat kum gejing tip leo lum le tho bakane gejing jai tengko kali kelajah pedang katata sumo ke badan new number ML not hendrio e ralai kendai hendrio ke badang let boy rembong. Bat kane ke kali Marti 800 ke badan new number ML not san L iwei sau ralai kadai ke badang mi na boy rembong. Katuk ania ni kinong rit nong wan ki besong ha katata sumo kle tho ba unongnya jong sumo lele kat balak ban kiar na kejing tengko bakane ke kali Maruti. Ndai namar kejing penher stat jong kane ke kali Maruti kar semlala asuban kiar bala keno ru unongnya jong kane ke kali Maruti kar ulanya ap deng kejing syok kau yang. Hagane kejing jala ingut kibre ke besong ha kane ke kali Maruti Clemenceau bala pen ketno saboy rembong CHC na ke benta kejing Sumat. Banda kaliang kipulet ka Kapmara PIC kidang penlong ya kejing toket. Hadian Shiposngi jong kejing Syakem. Hakasino kong jong katayo, u Chancellor ke Sekolah University of Science and Technology Meghalaya USTM. U Mahabubul Haq uliok jamin hakawai ke Mokot Duma nak yang bishar Guwahati High Court. Kat bah hakawai pat ke Mokot Duma pat yok setia ya ke jamin. Ka yang bishar jong ka Guwahati High Court kala jamin no u Chancellor ke Sekolah USTM u Mahabubul Haq hakabede ba ke Mokot Duma. Ka budang apat ya ka wei pa jamin nak kentas ka wei pat ke Mokot Duma ya ka belu ujor ha ka tharat patharkan di ha jela Asam. Laban kedua bagi pulet ke Asam kala kami Mahabubul Haq lambat kiwai kini hikai halor ka jing syak keno bagi dan benta benda thok ka eksamen jong ka CBSE class 12 ha ka ke sekolah patharkan di ya ka bela penyaj da ke Education Research and Development Foundation ka bela seng da ka kenhuan Mahabubul. Kat kum gejing tip balayo lum le tho bahadian gejing syakem hagi pulet ke Asam maka arpui terik urempang. Na kaliang Mahabubul ulapan jamin dari yang syari kala kentat ban ai bat pha iki pulit ban toket na benta khat sau sngi bat dai tat aduk kalai terik uleber ba ka ying bishar jongka Guwahati High Court kala ai jamin chwa ha ka wei gejing ujor kat ba ya ka wei pat an sebishar bnia kat kum gejing ujor hapo ka thanat patharkan di ka tanat excise jong ka distrik Riboy ha kasni ublei jong ka toyo balala kala penlong ya gejing kan rakyat ha ka than umyam. Hendrai ha kejing kenra hajan kesnong nong seder layok ban kurup komba arpulai hajar bitor kakiat. Hadian balayo ya kejing kebati kena ha kebede bekejing dan ki kita misnakiat bean ha ke distrik Riboy. Kaliang kibor keterat excise ke distrik Riboy kelalik kensan ya kini ki kita misnakiat ya ke bala suba beglet rekam bean ya katan umyam. Beketup umyam industrial complex pada Shillong bypass hajan kesnong nong seder. Kumeliok jeng tip ya kini kejing det kenrak ka basendet ya kini kita misnakiat bean kedai ru hadin kejing det kem ya kami ketrok ke belakit epelat lai hajar teli gibitor kiat ke new number AS AC kendai iwe saw-saw kanapara da kibor ketenat excise na Asam bada kejing toket layo apat ya kejing tip bah ke bedai ba kejing dan kini kita misnakiat ke distrik Riboy Habai kran bat kinong tok kubor uba RC Lengdo Superintendent ke Excise ke District Ribhoi uli to bahadian ke jingyo ke jing patha no Commissioner ke Excise hakabai dai bat ke jing tep kepala yo halol ke jing don kini ki kitam snakya lian kumta na kaliang ke tenat kalal ban khandra ki jaka at tarik nai leber ar hajar ar pusan uli to ru bah ke jing khandra ke kong bala long ha yam industrial complex pasal layo asatya ki do kini kitia Mereka ke jing khandra bat ya ke ke jaka kabel subajor badan ke jing snakya an strok shlong bypass hajan ke snong nong sder ha ke jing dan rang ki puren yam lalap ikene ke jaka snakya bean balayo berkurup sibun teli ki tiar kom ki blending tags ki storage tank bat ki bekiwe Shosho uba lengdo ulong bawala ha kene ke jing khandra shim layo ban kem yeno yenoru namar ba shim ladan brio kene ke jaka Nrei na kaliang ketrat exercise kanang penlong ya jing to oket ban lap iki try jong kene ke jaka bat ban pengat ru iki kat kum kekenon an ban ujor ru syaking syari jang ke district and sessions court Hanong Po
Te hapring ji terang jong ka megle exercise pada sam exercise ni raid atli ki jaka ha tusi ko ye po umyam industrial complex ka ba kan lap e we jadi kata bde ni let se chawai ke jaka beran ham tu hajan katuka bandit Shillong bypass laran roy itu hang tu hajan ni tegaran ko ka location ke balong suspicious jadi mengina pentip ya polis ka umyam PS dari jingtelang ke umyam PS ni lalaban Shem yang tak kerja but hapo kata kayen ke ba Shillong shna mula ni yo ni nala ban shembun ki tiar ki bede ba kejing shna bi anya ka kya kidon ki blending tanks kidon ki storage tanks nangka kidon ki cutting machines ki production line ki bla penbiang ba nangka ni yo ya ka flavoring but coloring agent hadin balawat tikna jang ilap ki hologram jong bot jong atli ki state ke bot jong Assam ban Meghalaya bade ki counterfeit holograms kimde ki jisha nuta ki don ki finished goods ki ba ladep snack ke kiat ke bade nam tabor atli ki state Assam ban Meghalaya OC Blue RS bat kaniga number 1 luxury Mulu malai boycott kumba atpo atusan bilori kita ki finished goods. Mo. Ke niyor ki excise levels jom boro atli ki state. Jom kini ki brands ba kini ki beauty shnabi an. Hanoror kata niyor ki bilor batli. Ki don ki cartons ki ba lapin krelo pa ban tep ya ki bilor nala dep bottle ye kiat antang yo ini ki jingtap ki caps. Kita ki tiara ki akum ke department ni layo apan si sa tu kecaka. Dengan persang banwa nomor bahak pot bengi kandak ya rate umdan badan syua kata jaka. Dan kalian jong ka team jong i kala persang banwa ya ka identity jong ki try jong kata jaka. Ila kendu idang wasno jong ka snong nong sedia. Nang ta ngayo jingtip ba don we ba bari try jong tu jaka. Dia bade badi kam na kalian jong ka department indang ya chakmat ban investigate man mat dia ga jing sha jong ni kam. Tak ada bengin dalap ya kita jom kata kecaka buat ni aban file ya ka criminal case ha ko jong district and session judge nompo te kata ka jing batha jong ki Assam excise ti nomor specialist ni pin kre mangi nak leng ni nang lek inventory hadu menta ni la engage ya ki technician ban dismantle ya ki production line pada ya ki machine repair Kelang bagi nyo ban kit no itu kita nak tiga jaka ban yo bu ha ko ke jaka ban nong sia custody yo ban bu thanang te yo kawan ra yo ki le dusman mono ma te ya kata ka proses ni community ba menta ka singi ndak ban pendem no ban transport no ya baro itu ki confiscated articles sya ka jaka ka ba khangchai
ki nong yalam jong National People's Youth Front NPYF Hagisni thok diang jong tayo kilapan bana bakin mi syakamat banyarap ikisamla jong jala ban penyo ikiskim baper ke belawan ra ke sarkar MDA hapa oge jengalam jong keseng National People's Party barkil ai kubleiru ke sarkar jala ke belapan bana ban penterekam ya ke Chief Minister's Scholarship Scheme na ke benta ki kena pulih habai kiran bikino pathai kubor State President ke NPYF uba Wailat Miki Shila ubalang ru MLA na keseng NPP. Ulai ku blay yung menteri rang ba kejelau Konrad Kongkal Sangma halo kejing syem kesen jam ban penteri kam ya ke Chief Minister's Scholarship Scheme hagaba prapo wajarut kisamla pule kejela kibala pendap ke kelas 10 kini kejing rap ke bahan hajar tengkah sisnam bat kini ke scheme kan terekam nadu ubnai benwan. Uba wailat meki ulong bagani ke senjam ke bak sarkar jela kelasem kam deh kesian ke baningkong. Ndrek le penteri kam ru ya ke CM Elevate ke Yes Meghalaya ke Prime ke Hello Meghalaya ke Meghalaya Grassroots Music Project bat kibe-kibe scheme. Kebelera pada jumento shibo ni kisamla ke jela. Ulong ba keseng ke juyo ya ke jing pensngau ni kisamla kam tam ni kitan nong kendong. Halo ke jing syam jing banyo jing tip ke babiang halor ki scheme baper. Kumta keseng ke kuak bentar wadala de ba ke kloy benerap kisamla. Hakabe de ben penio ke scholarship ni ki scheme baper dari kisamla ki syam jing ban apply banyo ke scheme. Uba wailan miki shela ulong basyan ke NPYF kan sa jing tip kisamla kumno begini jing yarap na keseng. Bad kini on sedang syua kanong ba shilong ha rilom jentia bad ha rilom garo.
Ka main hi ka jimut na kaliang jongi ka long ban ai kublei ya i Chief Minister badon burom jongi na banta ka initiative ka jongi ban sedang ya kini ka scholarship scheme ru thamai ka wi ai ka teng ka Chief Minister Scholarship Scheme ha kini ka scheme kumba ila yatho ha ka budget ba kumba 30,000 ngut ki samkon samla jongi ki ban pendep ya ka matriculate lani ka class 10 kin yo ka jingyarap ka ba 3,000 shisnem hadin bagi pendep ya ka class 10 te ka ne kan sedang na ka ne ka financial year ban te ka main hi ni kwa ban shim ya ne ka bu ban ai kublei ya Chief Minister ban burom jongi ba perkhat jengai na ka banta ki khon samla bat mdei tang kende kasin ke bankong henry la dengi pet ya ki scheme ki barim ki bala don lupa ki balong ki youth centric nado ka CM Elevate ke Yes Meghalaya ka Prime ka Meghalaya Grassroots Music ka Hello Meghalaya bat ki wei te kini ki long ke ki scheme ki ba yarap shisha ya ki khon samla ki jongi te na kata daw na kalian jongi ikwa ban chimien ne ka kububan ai kublei ya Chief Minister pada ka jo ko podo kum ki bapet ya ki kon samla ni kham yo ki concern hi na do ki ki scheme ki bala don lupa ro don ki kon samla kham tam ki be dei na ka po ka thai nong kondong ki kham shem jing ban apply la ni ban yo jing tip kita ki awareness ki babiang tena kalian jongi kum ki National People's Youth Front mo ki bapet ya ka ki samla na ka party ni kwa ban offer ya ladi ba ngin sedang ya ke help desk na kaliang jongi ban yarap ya kini ki kon samla ha ka bay dai pat kani ka scholarship ro ka jo por la ki do sem jinge ban apply bat kum jo ro ya kini ki scheme te ya kani ka help desk ngin sab ai jing tip ka ba kham bania kham tam ya ki details kum no ba phila ban mok pen tip shani la ni kum no ban phin ya kan do ban ni te ya kani ngin sa ai jing tip hadin bat ya kani ngin stang shwanang ne na shilong bat kum jo ro ngin stang po Giantia Hills bat kum jo ro po Garo Hills te kini ki dai ki ba nakaliang jongi ni sngau comment ban ni ai kublei yo Chief Minister ba perkhat chishai ki khon samla ki jongi la rangi pet tang ya ka budget ro la rangi compare la rangi pet ya financial year house nem 8,000 khan riu ka budget jong ka sports department ka long tang yo dai kro tang ba la rangi pet ka ni ka financial years ko jong news nem 8,000 aku sao ka po hedo arspa at nyo kro te kani ka pan ishai ba Chief Minister jongi uperkhat ya ki khon samla jong kani ka state te langbang ni pensang sa sisen nga kwa ban ai kublei ya Chief Minister jongi ubo perkhat jengai nak peta ki khon samla ki jongi te kini nga sa sisen kani ka jingmut jong kani ka press conference ni mata ka ski ban ai kublei ya Chief Minister langba kani ka scheme ka scholarship scheme bonus stang langba kani ka session kani ka budget session baula penbera
Da kejing temu benele banweng ya kejing ke bamat dikino hikai SSA ha kejela. Ketenat pulih putih kejela kesing balang jong ketayo kelalu me kejing elang bat kinong elam jong ke Meghalaya SSA Schools Association ka All Meghalaya SSA School Teachers Association bat kumjo bat ka 4th Teachers Association banyak keren halor kisenjam ke bala syamkia da ke sarkar. Haka sautarek uleber arhajar arpusan ketenat pulih putih ke sarkar jela kelalu mi kejingelang berkikin hon nahikai SSA kibakentop ya ka Meghalaya SSA Schools Association ne ke MSSASA nang ta ke all Meghalaya SSA School Teachers Association ne ke AMSSATA bat ke Fourth Teachers Association bane kedan lor ke senjam ke sarkar kelasem banu wengi gijing ajungki habakran kilat patai kubor hadian gene kejingelang Presiden ke MSSASA uba Aristotle Rembai uli itu bahagian kejingelang ke sarkar kalau pentip bagadan kejing temu ban penesok kinahikai SSA syai kinahikai sarkar bat halor kania keteratkan sepelong de kejingelang bat barok ki Subdivisional School Education Officer jang barok ki distrik ban paklum jingken barok school SSA ban penurlong ya kania haka balabu upor ban pendep haka katsan trik uyayong arhajar arpusan Uli toru banalor kania ketenat pulih putih ke sarkar jelas kan sepenmi kejing pentep lor kejing pediang ikinohikai ke bela pendep ke diploma course kaba kat pra benai kabla penlong dak NIOS lengba ke open distance learning na kebentak ke DLED bakin apply ki kamhikai ke sekolah sarkar Ula kedauru banakaliang ke yang syari bahedo hakari ke Supreme Court kal penmi ke hukum baik kinohikai ke bela pendep ke DLED bela penlong dak ke NIOS kimlong men apply na kebentak ki kam sarkar Henry Hauno pra ke senam arhajar arpusau ke Supreme Court ke lepen mi bang ke hukum bagilah syak kania. Kumta kat kum kena ke hukum nak kaliang ke NCTE ke lapha cabrok ke secretary jong ketenat pulih putih jong jela bagi dia ban mi ke jing pentep. Bagi bela pendep ya ke diploma course DLED ke bakat pra benai dak NIOS. Kilong man apply ki kam sarkar. Uli itu ru bahakani kejingelang secretary lapan puar haduk kakat santrik uyayong arhajar arpusan hak bedai ban penbed ya kejempan kiau ketulap jogina hikai SSA mat kile kerana kejingelang balada kelong ke sarkar kanwan ra da ke pay scale halor ke rationalization ya ke syllabus uba Aristotle Rembai uli itu menagaliang commissioner secretary uli pentip menagaliang ke sarkar jela kerang penkre ekani haki benai ki belalet Bat nakaliang ka kenhuan kini kai SSA kelakat parik sarkar berpenploy kat bala namar bagi skol kelas sedang. Kaseng kala ai kejing mudru ban penesok kini kai SSA kita di skol ki Bamarjan Syaki Cluster Research Center. Balada amdan ki skol ki Bajan bat ki CRC kila bandra Syaki Jaka ki Bejan bat ki ICRC.
Kalong ke bas mungkinan kalong ke bas iso. Ti hakan di kapur ke pemerintah, nak di junga ui nak kini trei berge, kini ngelam berge juga juki perani kai. Aku akan penang, aku akan pentip syaki perani kai baru kai. Baga hakan di buat ke enhancement ke bah nagari juki kini kai si ladawa. Ke office hakan jinglam juga commissioner secretary jungi dua kerpat yani bah minai pur hadu kekasan trik jog April arajar pusan bakin session ya kasih jam ke bakhamha lakin ayangi ke enhancement kado ke enhancement lani kita ayangi dak ke skill kata ke dibaju kelar ha ke meeting rengkat baru ko kini kai ki bedolang ha ke meeting kajuan ke dikop depan nak yang officer juga education department
teacher karang merolai ki association ki bagi lay keren mentah ala lay south league meeting adu mentah ke singi ni lalap isyam betul pun ki kedrum keram halo jumi kinongi kai tingim sumpang su ya kene ka jing kedrum keram man kapor tingi so tenat pade benam keren dia kejo si kejo mo ban su ong tang si kentien ba nakaliang jungi ni kwa si syam na level government ba la shim initiative ki kene pemerintah ba kala mod ban penben ki kedrum keram jungi kinongi kai ban ngalio sngoru ba nakaliang jong da government they are trying their level best ban solving any problem nam bagi ni problems kenu mishu nam le shakmat dan nak takadaw ni kerpat hilu na government bagan le as soon as possible ban ngalayo jingtip guru ba they will do it as soon as possible ban solving any problem na kabenta ki kamjuli kinahi kai
yang jong commissioner and secretary ula penting hangi ba ka education department kala de penkre ya ka draft notification na kabenta ban penmi hakni kan get sngi ban sawan hakabai dei bat ka validity jong ka 18 months dia that course ka bala conduct daka NIOS kuba PTB hakini ki snema last year kala mi kawe ka ruling jong ka Supreme Court ba ka ang ba 18 months dia that course ki bala conduct daka NIOS kimlong valid ban apply ki government post te dang ha u December arhajar ar phosau pat nami sakawe ka judgment jong ka Supreme Court ba ong ba kila long eligible te based on this judgment jong ka Supreme Court ka bala penmi hakash public jong na December arhajar phosau nakaliang jong ka NCTE kalapa ya ka city cha baro ki secretary jong ka education jong ki state baro ha Meghalaya baro ha kari India kan thup ya ka state Meghalaya ha ka arpunyo turik jong na January arja pusan ha ka bala ong ya ki bakas state government kin penmi ya ka notification ban notify ba ka 18 months delayed course ba conduct da ka NIOS kalong valid bakin apply kino ki government post ki balai dan ni hagi ni ki government aided school ki post ki balai joki nong ikai kata kali number 2 number 3 pat nakaliang jong commissioner secretary ulah pentip hangi ba ulah panpor mo hadu khasantrik jong benai April jong tausnem hakabaide bat ban wanra ya ka solution na kementak enhancement jong katulog jong ikno ikai SSA but ngili kran menne ba nakaliang jungi ngila prefer pada dok bala ba government kan yang ida ka skill tinakaliang jungu ulong yang menta 4 la panong AA ngin up hadu ka khasantrik jong benai April ahaja pusan te ngin sashim ya karai langin move sa ka government da kan ka ad hoc enhancement lan ni da ka skill enhancement tinakaliang jungi baro hi kilai tadi ki association menta ka singi ngila dep kran shai bangi prefer ya ka pay scale haka by day baka enhancement jungi kino hika SSA contribute yau new teachers ya ka by day baka rationalization commissioner secretary European Tibangi ba kan nakaliang jong ka state government kala sedang ya kan ka proses hakini ki benai ki balade ma tingin yung ba kumba kalong menta ka baroki school kila sedang menta kila plina do public job na February tingin la kerpa dia ke sorkar bahkan penkloy kat bala hak by day bahkan ka rationalization tingin la aero ya ke suggestion ban merge le ban shift ya gitu kino hikai haki school ki ba marjan hapo jom katu ka CRC kani ka cluster resource center bangyong tila da amdon ki school hangto tikila ban shift haki nearby ICRC tina kaliang jom commissioner secretary ru ulas ya hab ya kani tingin la kerpa di uba da ko bala ban penkloy kat bala ya kani kenang ba So
today we had the third round of meeting, and so this is basically with the SSA teachers which are there, and there are almost 12,000 of them in the system, where we have LP, UP, and RMSA is also SSA only. So these negotiations are or talks rather basically to understand the petitions which they have given, and to understand them in detail, and to just throw a light on what's happening elsewhere in the country, and so that everyone is well informed, and then so that we can move ahead. So these are just part of discussions. Nothing concrete has been finalized as of now, but these are part of discussions, and this is the way we want to engage with them to understand, and so that when the decision comes, everyone is on the same page. So we are moving forward, but of course this is a complicated matter, so it requires time, and we will keep on pushing, and when some decision is there, we will notify.
Superintendent ki pulit wakmi akatanat traffic haga district East Khasi Hills Kamakya Prasad ulakentat ika jingkena keseng All Khasi Meghalaya Tourist Taxi Association bagi pulit traffic ila ila tang yaki kali kamai tourist na Assam banyeng hakandailat hendrai yaki kali tourist ke jelapat amsyamla Syak Satya yaki bagenyeng ki nong yalam ke All Khasi Meghalaya Tourist Taxi Association haga sautrek uleber arhajar arpusan Lalit bani kendo USP Traffic ke East Khasi Hills UK Prasad ban panjang syah lor kejing le asiliang katanat ke bedai bagi jing mamsya ki pulit peniat kali ban yang yaki kali tourist naga jela hakandaila. Habakrani kilat patai kubor uba Rikal Dinos Doling presiden Janganek Association. Ula kendo bagi pulit peniat kali habalap bayang ki kali kamai ke naga jela kiwan ban kelam bet napal. Kat baik ki kali ke naga jela Assam ke mcemla kelam wala kiwan ban yang hakani hi kajaka. Uba Rikal Dinos uleto bahkan ke je kendo ada kaliang SP traffic ula betha eki bane penbet syuai kene kam apeng kinong nya kali rengkat barki traffic in charge jengi tanat Shipor. Nagaliang uba Rikal Dinos doling ula pedi di video komsi benta bansaki ya gejing sya ale siliang haki pulit peniat kali. Da ke babenrap bagi pulit ki kloi ban pendat kelam tang eki kali kamai turis naga jela Meghalaya. Ndai ki kali kamai ke buan nabar kam tam naga jela Assam ke buan yeng kim ju pendat kelam.
Long penting syaklet siliang gabai dengan ke polis bejar nam tak kita pi kali turis taksi di Padahi nak kejelah kami Thì din ke mistake ke ba kila yang ban tet passenger ke po menta. Hadin ke ba fasting dai gym tu kemud kelawan ban kelam no. Lawan ban kelam ni be no nak caka ke ba mensua pi ke don kui ke parking ke ba ladan we ke action ke ba hang tu ban punya parking te menta kini ki perdok pasam ni driver hi kelawan itu ban bu ye kali ban tet passenger ni fasting ke ji kini polisi kelawan be kile ban kelam ni ti anda kelami nak tu caka ru kolong ba ni pinyo snow snow USP ba nak kelami nak caka anda kelami cik tiga caka ke badan stis kendong ko situ darah ki berhenti tertentu banyak penyeng no ban kapnya no pring sor jongga polis besar dari nak yang cik tiga caka ru yang hadu mentamanya kadang don ke kelam ti ladap dikwa sebut kidan kini timbangan peli fi kidan kini pai kai ke bajalong ni pai kani ketika saki sebut tu pai kani ke fi kalong po vivan tamo sibji seneng dikali asam kiyo banyengkat beman ngan sapa fi kani video sibji seneng kin kiyo kat beman kat ba ikali asam kani ke cakap vivan ta kali mikni apa crash tank kai gym step kila sabe ba kile bonon kelam bai kat ba yakini kali asam pai kulit udan nang ikali asam kimbe yakini te sakwe kalong kani tek mo api kadang ski video hangiro ini di kisah ki bang iyo ban lemah kani ke di po vivan ta ka baca tai kelong tu kelam pendanya ada yang kali kini po vivan ta ka di po vivan ta ada yang kali asam mentah ke ke bajai kali ML jogi tan ada yang kali ML itu disebut kan sapa asbi gini video tingiwan halor kani ke kam ke nama pengisak saklam baik kali jogi travel jogi tak kadang ngiwan sundu SP tu ni ula ini bangin sa form eta komiti ke baidi hapeng jogen ka traffic apro ko ke social law halor kata ka jingkili jo PM kali bali bakalong tentang si hang te po ka parking hingan men sambe po parking jan benta hang tu kadon ke basilendat le se kadon ke jingnya siu ka jing kidon ki bri hang tu penya ya ka parking lot tu bantat ikeli asam ke bisibji seneng ka tu kadon le si kadon ke jingnya yo pisal ni le business jongno hang tu apring kulit ancha jong tu bat kitu ki bri le si hang tu kadon kata ka bita ke baki siu le si ai nuksa kila ban siu le ka kali asam kawan bantat pasenjan tu kila ban siu no sispa pengka ka we yo kulit hapo megalia lani kumta mo ka jing be joki kadon kum katai maka di business hang tu di takadau ni kali sing ko bonga ong mane ni mio alat hang tu ban thep wat tang apli kan sa be kum so bai kalu mista hang tu kidon be kata kum ka jing sngo na kali hang jonga kalong ba ki thu pra bali kalong ba kidon ki ba laingut ki change kumentang sing ki change laingut ki we la sai ki change de ki we ti kita ki bri ngam la betip kita ki bri kum ji sngo jonga kali ki bri bam kim don wat tang kali kamai kisuan nanti ban kamai ho kidi ki pardo pasam jing am bisni andai nakali yang ke SP 4 halor kata ka kam ke bang ki keli maki ula ai ka asuran ini pa ni sadon komiti ke bangin ai ke perfect place nani ka parking bob yang nam tajung ki tulis taxi bat private ba pribadi apa asas no
USP Traffic ke East Khasi Hills uke prasad ulakan ta dikejing kenok kinong elam ke All Khasi Meghalaya Tourist Taxi Association badan kejing la siliang nakaliang ki pulet penyat kali kibaila tangi kali kamai turis na asam maning kandailat ke bakadau bagi pulet kila ala kamram namar beginong nya kali ki pening kali ke jaka ki bala mana ban peniang la ban kadau hang ne ban kaliang presiden ka AKMTTA uba Rikal Dinos Doling ha kesan terik uleber arajar arpusan lalit ban ujor kamar USP Traffic lor kejing keno le siliang ki pulet penyat kali beksya tangi ki kali na asam baniang kat bomon kandailat kat baya ki kali na kejela Meghalaya pat kemsha Habagaran gelap thai kubor ke santri kuleber arajar arpusan uke prasad ulong bagijing keno jongnek association kalong ka bamdan nongrim namar bagi kulit kile ela ka kamram banweng ye gijing thang kali hasor shillong bat lamana ban pinyang kali hajan ka city hat dhaba bat hajan Vivanta hotel uli thoru bahag bayde bagajaka pinyang ki kali kamai turis Hagasnam kabalalet ketnat kalau megijing elang hapo gijing penyat deputy commissioner transport rengkat bat barok ki kenhun jekinongnya kali turis Hapulis Reserve hakabada kejing menjorlang larai bansyak ban peniang iki kali kamai turis tang hagacaka badan mar persya ka State Bank of India. Bad amsyak ban peniang kandailat ni kinu nugi jaka bamarjan ka kandailat. Nrei hakapor men step la syak kali kamai turis bagin peniang iki kali juga kandailat tang hadu nyau beje bad hadin ka nyau sidang amsyak syo iki baniang hagani kejaka. Ula benrap ru bagai kebaja kalong bakini kali ki bami na kandailat pat kilet ban penyang ni kali jongki jaki jaka bemarkap ke kandailat. Kabala penbet hi dagi dalal ki penbet i jaka yang jongki ni kali. Wala kidai ki jaka bala mana ban yang kali. Komisi benta ban kam penuna ki jing kali keteran kehapan pentrikam dakaan. Uki persat boleh itu bahag kabaydai bagi jingweng jing kinongnya kali. Nakal yang kesorkar kelada pen itu ya kihinyut ni kijaka habrok ko bagi sorsulong apo ke jingilam ka additional district magistrate bagi jing trailang ketenat PWD bad ka kamram joki kalong ban penduna ke jing kali. Ban penbiang ya kijaka penyang kali bad kiwe jing ban la ban tem ya ke jing kali.
So the matter is not this is not a fact that the STP is maintaining any kinds of the reservations or discrimination against anyone. The matter was raised regarding parking of tourist vehicles at the stage of the City Hut Tower and the Vivanta hotels. Actually, what happens that in the 2000, in the last year only, in the last year, in the mid of the month, a meeting was organized by the additional deputy commissioners, transport, along with all the tourist taxi driver associations. They are having 9 associations and they work in solo. They are not coming under the one umbrella. So therefore, in order to sort out the issue of parkings, the meeting was organized at Police Reserve and it was mutually settled by allotting the parking lot at the SBI parking lot. SBI parking lot is opposite to the SBI, there where you can accommodate at least 35 to 40 vehicles at one time. So they mutually agreed that they will start parking the vehicles there, and they will not park the vehicles in and around the Police Bazaar or other areas. We have given also the space to them that in the morning they can park the vehicles, the tourist vehicle they can park in Police Bazaar area till 7 AM in the morning, so that they can carry the passengers who are bound for different destinations. And after 7:30, since the traffic starts, we allow these people to leave the places. Thereafter, what it happens that they start parking in different nook and corners of the city. And the most important part, which I would say, that it is being mediated by the middleman, so-called the dalals. So these people, they arrange the parking of those vehicles at different locations which are restricted area and where the parking is prohibited. As you know that the traffic conditions is more in Shillong city, and in order to provide the space for everyone, we have to regulate the laws and we have to enforce the laws. And as the same the traffic police they are doing, they are not making any discriminations. We don't have any reservation towards anyone when it comes to the checking of either tinted glass or maybe the retrofitted vehicles or maybe the hidden parkings. We are enforcing the law in letter and spirits. And above that, in order to sort out the issues, now the government, they have already notified 7 sectors in entire Shillong cities, which will be headed by the additional district magistrate. Like the line departments, the PWD also will be there, the MODA will be there, the municipal will be there, and that the police officers, the person in charge of that particular traffic branches also will be a member. Their job is to regulate and see the possibility where the traffic can be eased, where the parking can be provided, and they will work out in coordination with other stakeholders also, so that the traffic can be eased in and around the Shillong city. So that matter was informed to the presidents that if any grievances are there, we have already given the allotted parking, and that was mutually agreed by them that they will park in the designated location only. But apart from that, they started parking and they are insisting to park the vehicles in and around the Vivanta and the City Hut Tower, which are not being permitted. And giving the counter allegations as such, the police are indulged in collecting the money, thereby allowing the space for others. That is not the truth. It is a baseless allegations and it is unfounded. For that reason, I have already made an inquiry with the respective in charge, the officers and the personnel. We have already spoken to them. I would like to stress on this point that if any grievances are there, if any person is aggrieved by any illegal activities being carried out by any police personnel, they are free to come to the SP's office, where the SP sir is there, SP city is there, we all officers are present there. We will inquire into the matter, and if anyone is found guilty or proved to be guilty, then strict action will be taken against them. So these kinds of the making the allegation which is unfounded, without substantial evidence, which tantamount to the defamation also, and may invite the legal actions. Because the police department as such is working in cooperation with the public. We are a public servant and we are trying our best. The traffic police, the STP, they are trying their best to deliver their best in order to decongest the city. So I would urge the concerned associations that they should refrain from making such a statement without any base or substantial proof. That is not only tarnishing the image of one individual, but it tarnishes the image of the whole police department.
Da gajing sokya halor gajing shalom khajana bean kinong shongshnong kathain rat nong tung hagajala asam. Hagala asni ublay jeng katayo kinong yalam kah Trap Youth Council kila dawa nagi board peniat distrik Ribhoi bantokit bat cemkia mardor ya kene gajing kabamat kipat ba kibasa akathain kaput bat kejala asam. Da gajing sokya kabajor halor gajing yo gajing ujor nagi nong shongshnong kathain rat nong tung. Hagabede bat gajing lum khajana bean lagi board ka asam. Hagalai ter gulber arhajar arpesan kinong yalam ke HYC kilalit bandawan nagi board peniat distrik Ribhoi bantokit bat cemkia halor kejing belamat gipat ba besyong basa kajaka kaput ka Meghalaya bat Assam. Na kaliang ke HYC lalam kemat da ubah Hercules suting Presiden Ribhoi District Unit, ubadiru Presiden Karat Nongtung Circle, rengkat bat General Secretary Karat Nongtung US Masharing, kebeli kendo benbo kejing ujor kemat Raja Brahma, ubadai ADC ka District Ribhoi, ubadiru Border Magistrate. Ubah Hercules suting ulapan pau kejing sokya, halo kejing belamat dagi patba besyong masa hakathan kaput. Apok Karat Nongtung tang namar kajing lek don bor kibreu ke Assam na kapor. Kamtam ka krong khajna. Ulitoru bagaseng kalio jing ujor halo kejing don ka kerdap krong khajna bean jong ke Assam ha kasnong lum sopho. Kabahap apok Karat Nongtung belapanan kam jubor kibreu ke Assam na ka district West Karbi Anglong keblak tajur kinong rep kibiji imja kapok da ka kamrep. Joshua lapan sengo pada kaliang keseng kadap da gejing sokya namar bawa dapreng gejing herdor jugi marep kinong rep kathan rat nongtung kilapan seo pat saka khajna shi kibreu ka Assam kumta keseng kladawan ki bot piniat distrik Ribhoi bakin shimkya mardor halor kania
gejing kitu jugi yai border mistit halor ka phang kamat ka ba gejing yo jugi komplain na ki baiba ki basa ante hapo kaput ka bangitip ka Karat Nongtung bagi sekosen kadega blok 2 tega jing ke ba ki baiba ki mat kamdei shu kadega sin ka ba nakong hendrei kadega jing ke ba ki baiba ki mat kadega ba kapor kumba pitip hati jaka ki ba kaput tega kadega mat ka bangi akan rosi bat border minister kalong ka ba iyo yang komplain na ki baiba kalong ba kajing sak khnyot jo kinong rap kadega jaka kalong ba langba ka jing sak khnyot haki kajing bu jong gigiet kaget ke bala bu napo ka Karbi Anglong ke bala ap daki khana pali ke bala tak jur sibun yaki paiba nong rep jong katega jong ki paiba kamtam ki kasih pasa ketika than namar ka jing sim ya ka dor kamur ya ka jing saot jong norap kalong ba ka si pick up la benkit ka pick up kala benkit penta arton sikang na laiton te ka jing saot kawai kali ka jing sakrong kalong harta khazana ka de khandru hajare ti kane kale ka sipenta ka bala pengta jur bahaya i paiba nong rep di kathan te nakaliang jengi kum kaseng nta kasi la bu ka jing karpat ya i border mistit ba in simkhalang ya kane ka benta ka ba kum ki paiba kimat ka jing ngimla aru ban ai play hakini gisnam ki baladap ngimla ban klet ya ka ga ba isar permai la sim ya ka action kata ba bai penduk pendam ya kata ka get enres so phla biang ba menta ketika get kala ngi biang te kum sangi wan ban budin biang ya isar ba nakaliang jeng iro ila onghi ila pau sini ba isa sim kya bat isale ya ka iga ba don kam nakaliang jenta distrik bejengit te kumta kum kaseng na menta ka bit ka biang jeng ki ba ngim chong tikti hendai ngin yai budin rekat bat ka jing tre lang bat ki bo distrik ham ba ki ba ki nomba mat jeng ya po ketika kathan
tang hadian ka tokanis ngi bula shimti kumu MDC Bapura ka Laban Mauprem constituency Hakala sing ublay jong katayo uba Ricky Shulai ulalit yakendo yo executive engineer ka PWD Roads Shillong Central Division uba S Letep. Bandawa bancenano ekusurok kabelas neo bha hakasnong lau sotun kenang ban pensuk ya kalit kawan jong kipat ba. Uba Ricky Shulai UMDC Kalaban Moprem Constituency. Ulang bawa lah kena gamat jong kajing sneo kena kesurok hakasnong lau sotun kamne ka bahap apo kaki HADC. Dari namar kajing syamjing bakajing snow jenjar kipat ba na kajing sneo palat jang kesurok halau sotun. Kumta ulah syamkia ban kentu ban maramat no kena kesurok kebelas sneo ban pendap no igitlio. Uba Ricky Shulai ulang bah kajing kendo ya executive engineer. Ula pentet pa kesorkar jela kelarai ban bah kapisa na kebenta ban syat mai no kena kesurok. Bat la kami lenti bah kena kamang tengka jang kena kesnam on saplat no kapisa ban sedang mancna no kena kesurok. UMDC ulang bawa lagi dengan kubor kalau kita semua tenat. Dari unyai buat den pat dengan kam kenang bahkan lo kejeng mentoy kipat bah kipat penan kam ya kena kesurok ha kali kawan kemaman lah kesni.
Kumpi ngah kendu UI juga Central Division. In spite bah tip hi ka subject kade juga state. Dari kabor juga UMDC kamtan dari ngamban si. Abang ai ka jinge ka ban hapo ka snong kaptam ka jonga ka bangasa tei halal sotun. Ngawan nam ta ka surok ka ba la syam jingi la jen bunsnem la arsnem ta ka jingi ka lalom na ya baro ki benta khamtam gi ba kamai kali nang ta gi bapang ba shitom ka surok ka lalom in a very bad condition do kamdi ka subject jongan ring amban si bangan sim ya kata ka mo ka benta bangan suwan kerpadrit hai dalong bansu at least dala ban pelek so di pothole covering kenang ba at least kan sup kayat kayang kamtam menta ka por air ka sports lab tu ka ajan wan te dengan wan hang ne pre kalong kiki ka bastunat ba laliang jong ii bat ka government ka asim khia bat ka ne ka sithi bangalai priang mentan ru ka peni ba kila dap sim ya kata ka benta ban kit khia ban wan ra ya ka sanction jong ka ne ka surok ban benta ban penbha kalau mudno ban pen ri cover biang ya kini ki pothole bat kawe ki benta ki ba bun ki dan ki ban penmiat ya kini ki benta ki bala du da ka basnat mai ka banti adu arpo kin siang pada itu black metaling ketu ka ba kiong ka rong ma da ki siang te kalong kiki ka ba sukmen ringan nang yai budin kumba ila ya kren bi mentan kalong ka basutanat ba ila peni yang aru ka sithi ka ba kila move so ka government but stang akan ka financial ngatrai kala yo ya ka sanction but layo ban train no ketika surok kaba ni hikum kinong soksnong hangtai kamtam juga lo sotun gila syam jingi bhala bun sinam bat ngan saya keduru ya kedor basnang ban kerpadrit bangi ihi daya ya chate ki benta ba wat hasurok bakadan ko kaba kapoho kadi ko kaba kamariang kala ku yangi kamtam chini kithan pam bagilai sedang sat kali yang kumkipor mensua tika surok kelas dang du hintai bentaru hoi ngasutu ya kajing ni juki nong song bagi saja tu ka mo ka sajing saj kali juki ring haban perkat ru pada baka surok ru kan sadu mo ka ba la sain jingjar biang mangihi te kumbangi ha ka thain pham ni te ka surok la le bhala le ka PWD ha bakila siang daka mo ka topping ka bolong cemented ka bra dahlai tikna te ngakermen ba ka darbar snong kan ya trilang bangin yo ban kerpat diki de bobu kendon manung sa saj kali syu tu bat ngakermen ba kajikit kya jong ka government lingba ka PWD department roads bakin ya sim kya ban pen state ya kena kakam ban ngan persang ban kendu hi du ya kilong he hakini kipor ki banwan kumbai la pensmo sanga da nga kendu ya ki kan kam state kakam te ngakermen bakan long bat nga sultanat bam tasi ngala yo itai bor ba ki pajba kila aya nga bangan yo ban kon budin ini ibentai balong bakongsan namenta ka imlang salang apo kasnong lo sotun
Hasua bini kimi ki kubor ke benangsa ingin pengken mau biang kimat bakongsan jongko kubor benta ketayo. Yatai ki MLE halor kimat baper ke yang dorbar tauan bat wanra menteri rangba ekamang tengka ke beduna syajar kendai sepak nyopo klor tengka. Yad rali geseng balang ban persya wanra lentirel hari lom jantia. Kersan Dr. Mukul M Sangma ban penesok dak lentirel hari lom garu. Dangjor gejeng sya krong khajna kinong rep karat nongtong haginong Asam. Ujar ke HYC, Syau Additional Deputy Commissioner. Hadian Shpos ni basya akam mekipulet ke Asam, yo jamin Chancellor ke Sekolah ba USTM. Pelat Konrad Kongkal Sangma ya ke OTS scheme bat nerutuli kali bekerpang dan ke bentagi lineman ke MEECL. Bat Siapin ku buram kat arngut kilong kemeh ha ke International Women's Day. Ka Drug Reduction, Elimination and Action Mission ne ka DREAM. Hagala asing ublay jeng katayo kalalu me kejing yalang bani selok bat ban ajeng kersan ya ki kime ki kpa jeng samla ki balangop ag jeng di drugs. Kenang bakin ya nok de kelenti ke betamai ha kejing em jengki. Ka Drug Reduction, Elimination and Action Mission ne ka DREAM. Haksin kebaning kong kalalu me kejing yalang bat ki kime ki kpa jeng samla ki balangop ag jeng di drugs komsi benta bani selok ban ai mensiam bat bani kun persya ya kejing ibani kilong yang hak em lang salang. Habakiran hikilat patai kubor hakalai terik uleber arhajar arpusan hadim melawai ke jingyalang. Mission Director ke DREAM uba Francis Karshiyang uliatu ba ke jinglum commission yaki kime kikpa kalong bani selok bat ban ajing kersyan yaki kum kilong yang kamtam hagabai dai ba ke jing event ke ba commission garan ke jing temu ban pendo yakani. Namar kane kam kata atang ya ne ke kena ne ke kata ajur kilong yang jing kitu ke bela kerni ha ke jing di drugs. Uba Francis Karshiyang uliatu ru ba commission ka ajing rap ke Bapura yaki Rehabilitation Center da ke Bakdo ba ke jing sumar gi breu bela kerni ha ke jing di drugs kadeka kam ke penjenjar bah. Commission hi kan se ajing mut ke sarkar bagat ai ke jing trailang bat baro ki Rehabilitation Center. Nalor kane ke DREAM mission kan penlong ru bon ki jing yalang kan ai ke jing chai pat ba kan ai ke jing hikai ru ki Village Defence Party bat ki wek wek senjam bakan sashim. Shan ke DREAM kan sakot sakajing yalang ba kisang samla bane keren ba bane selok halor kane kamat. Barkani commission kan penbon ru ki program ki bakan sa penlong ban ajing syai lor ke jing majung drugs bat hapo arsenam ke sarkar kan sepen iya ke ek ba kelale ki kam man telakam yau drugs ha ke jela.
Because kita ni try and break ya kan ni tabu kan ni stigma kepada kan ni jing event de ndai lasi kan ni senjam ke beningkong mengilap ya gini ki kemik pa mengikwa ni discuss ki kamtam ni ikwa banai support nak ada government ikwa banai support iki agnu iki te bat kamtam ya kan ni ka jing event ka tu hari ko stigmatize ikwa bendam bendu no kan ni te ngala khot iki mentang seni ban ki lawan ka to ni ki kemik pa ba ni kwa banya keren berki te apa ni ka ju upor khot lang counselors bidon kami Dr. Rika Lamarin po sama Mandra Foundation la ai ke jing keren kumno ban klan ke jing mut ke jing perkhat ke jongki ni ki kemi ki pa bat kani ngangai ka di si ka di sin ke beningkong ba ni pelong kum ni ke jing dalam khatam nak yang kesorka bagi kwa man pedi bagi kwa ban ai support ye gini how Shen dan sebelum sekali meeting pada hot kerja lang jo kiseng samla jong bor ka soslo minya hot meeting banyak keren banyak perkhat hakulu kom gila banyak mati ani and drugs activities minya le
and drugs sebelum
itu drugs ani do heroin wat kadi dengan ba kajing mak ba khrau ba tingginya persang le si ini nya chmat na kerben ba po arsenam itu ngan seperti nin kasoka seperti itu sal.
Baik, kadang ni am kajing discuss.
Kita discussion kita tegi nakalian ki polis ya kerat ni kita kita penyak ke rehab ni kamnong mo penyak hospital tu upri upang stom sup di aida wai dia kedon ki doktor kedon ki rehab ngala alek like li rehab center ngala kedu makan kesin beningkong ngai ka bajenja ba penyak dia kamdei ke bakai kamdei ke basup penyak ki ba nongpang tu teng ki mla banya sya mla ngai kami ki rumah kami kabalong problematik ba di inu ba nong penya ya rehab ti kamu ke kam krau ba ke kam ba kam sa de da kajin ai bin sim jongi mentak lami te kisan te ngi kerman ba inya trailang ba ka sorkar kan ai support kan service ya ni issue ba government bagi dia ai full support ini rehab kalau rukom ila le sorkar kalau don lupa ka scheme life war haja ai dulu ki bawan ki kena ki bawan nak yang kebibian ka support ka but ya ki rehab sumi ai support but bun ki rehab ki ba kena baduk you ki ai free treatment
Menteri Rangba Kejela Meghalaya Konrad Kongkal Sangma hagasim ar jeng katayo laplat pat ba ya ka one time settlement ne ka OTS scheme na gebenta kinong thang boarding electric ke MEECL ha ka ba kinong pendon kam boarding ken hak pensiu tang ya ka bai try jong ka bai boarding ka ba kilapan saat teng naslam. Hakasau Terik Uleber Arhajar Arpusan, Menteri Rangba Agajalau Konrad Kongkal Sangma, rengkat banu Menteri Ketenat Penmi Boarding UET Mondal. Kila pelat pat ba eki hindu teligi kali bekerpang ban penankam degi lineman, hagapor bagi snai gisainar elektrik kibadan hajrong pada kibai pat kijaka. Menteri Rangba Ulaong bakum basau pesan hajanwut kinong tang boarding elektrik kini ojing mentoy, bat palat arpun reu kelur tengka naga surcharge ne kejing o dortam, rengkat bagi jing dan kuna on sama mno. Bagian hak bansiu tang ya kebai terai ke basau ko nak shispa. Bat ya kebahan reu pau nak shispa ke basa apat, kinsiu dek installment klaim kesut. Ula kentui ginong tang boarding bakin shim kabu nak kene ke skim, bat ban shim gijing mentoy ke bela aida ke sorkar jela. Kene ke skim one time settlement ne ke OTS, kan terekam na duk Terik Uleber Arhajar Arpusan, haduk kalai puai Terik Uleber Arhajar Arpusan. Batang kilong gieng ke bela syaot ke boarding elektrik, kila bat apply ya kene ke OTS skim. Banyo igijing mentoy. Ukonrad Kongkal Sangma Ulaong bagatrat kal shim ikikat tu kene kisenjam ban pentikna ban ai gejing syakri ke babah shikinong penankam ya ke boarding elektrik jong ke MEECL. Ha ke baydai bagi kali ke belasna kerpang ke MEPDCL kala penankam ya ki kali. Tiba kiju penankam bersyakata. Ndri menta penankam nak ki kali ke bekerpang ya ke belatiat aga jinglot ke bakot iwai point saupra kelur tengka. Kemudian ni jingkiang bat ki kor ki bor ban la ban ki sejrong. Ban penti kena bagi lineman ken la ban trai jana ya kam bat ban dan ru ya ka jingsngan.
The first was an OTS program, that is one-time settlement program for our smaller consumers. If you recall, we had come out with an OTS for larger consumers. We felt that there is a need to give this option to even the smallest consumer of ours and the common man, and to be able to help and support and give them an opportunity to clear the dues that are pending and unnecessarily creating financial burden on them. With that objective, we started the OTS program of 2025, especially for our BPL consumers. Through this program, we are writing off all the surcharges that are there. And apart from writing off the surcharges, the principal amount that is there, only 40% has to be paid as down payment, and the rest of the 60% can be paid in installments, which will again be interest free, so that there's no more interest and surcharges that pile up in the future. So this is a program that is going to affect almost 45,000 consumers in the state, and the consumers will get a support of close to about 26 crores of amount will be waived off for this 45,000 consumers, and the total dues that are there is about 119 crores. And as I said, that we urge our consumers to come forward and take advantage of this so that we can clean the slate once and for all and start off fresh. And this is a great opportunity, as I said, for the consumers, as we'll be waiving off the late payment charges. The second program that we're having today is the flagging off of the maintenance vehicles. This is being done again in the process to make the entire maintenance and the services more efficient under the MECL. In the past, similar maintenance work used to be done by taking ladders, and the vehicles used to then carry the manpower and the ladders, and on that basis the ladder is used to rectify the lines, which could be a great inconvenience because sometimes the ladder would be short, and it could also be a danger for the people who are working as linesmen because the location could be slippery and very difficult situations. So keeping all of that in mind, we have modernized our maintenance program, and we have started with a fleet of few vehicles where these maintenance vehicles are powered hydraulically, which will allow the maintenance to be done in a much more faster and much more efficient way. We are starting with few vehicles as a pilot project, and very slowly we will expand this fleet into different parts of the state, in especially the rural areas and all the district headquarters, so that we are able to create and have a better uptime, and the maintenance can be done in a much more faster manner, and the safety and security of a linesman also can be kept in mind. The government has announced that we will not be having any scheduled load shedding this year also, which is again a very great achievement, and this has been done because of the hard work and and continuous focus of our honorable minister as well as our chairperson and the entire team of MECL. This would not have been possible without the work of every single employee of MECL who have worked dedicatedly to reform MECL and make it what it is today. And we are seeing an improvement, whether it is the uptime in terms of the scheduled load sheddings not being there, whether it's in terms of our AT&C losses, coming down to less than 18%, and or whether it is the different maintenance aspects that we're talking about. We are slowly and steadily seeing MECL become a much more efficient, profitable, and much more better and professional organization. Of course, we have a long way to go because a lot of challenges and a lot of past dues are there, but I think we are on the right track. So keeping that in mind, we are also working towards stabilizing the power distribution at the grassroots level. I'm happy to inform you that apart from the load shedding, which will not happen anymore, the second part of the problem we face is because of the lesser number of substations at the rural area. Because of less infrastructure and substations, when there is a flip or a trip in the line, it takes a long time to rectify because the area of coverage of one substation is very big. In order to make the system more efficient, we need more substations. And putting up more substations requires more finances and funds. And hence we have decided that maybe the numbers are large, but we need to start somewhere. And therefore, immediately, right after this session, we will be starting the implementation of 10 new substations. And slowly and steadily, every 6 months, every year, we will take up many more, so that we finally are able to have sufficient number of substations, which then will ultimately ensure that our overall distribution network is much stronger, smoother, more efficient, and the uptime is much better.
Komisi Bentaban Rakyat kesengi bekerpang gigentai neka International Women's Day. Hakasi thok diang jong katayo ke Meghalaya State Commission for Women kalau penlong ya kejingelang ha Additional Secretariat bat lepen kuk buram ki kat argut kilong keme ke belan nok senyang bat ai kejing syakri syakik imlang salang. Hagani kejingelang la don rengkat ke chairperson jong ke Meghalaya State Commission for Women ikong Yamon Siem nang ta pada I Professor Badablin War I badai ka HOD jong ke Department of Khasi Nehu ki dikhot jong ke Meghalaya State Commission for Women kilong keme kenong ilam shnong bat kiwe-kiwe. Hagani kesengi lepen kuk buram ya ki kat argut kilong keme ki belai kejing syakri syakik imlang salang. Habakran na kejingelang ikong Yaman Siem ilong bakum kilong keme ki layat lenti ke bejrong benyo ela ke jong kahop. Hendrai kedang don bon ki ik bedang don kamban penbha. I Professor Badablin War ila kentui kilong keme bagi deben mi syakmat banwat jingerap ara don kano-kano ke jing syak not ben. Bat kilong keme ki balak benerap ki dai banwan syakmat balai ke keti banwara ke jingkela hak ingin melang salang.
Tekadena dong nulis lagi kat pemkini rekod si Banglayo ba keradon kami kecil persang borba nak kali uji kentai. Teka history kalau keberengkam penyintir. Punglo bakal ni kesini kami. Berhadir kata ngitir bawa nak kalian jauh presiden jauh ke Amerika ru harus nam kat kenai sebab sipo ula ai dah kecil pen berapa ba. Mo ba lanjut. Ya kini kata rek jauh benai lebar, mai march bakal long kesi lagu kerpang banraki. Bantu kuburam yang kentai. Kata kalau tak dia tu masuk apa pangin hidden yang maklum kebenaran kami ini dia masuk isu yang kes banyak lagi ini. Kadang halor, kadang step halor umat juga kentai hati juk bagi paten di beladanya di belakang kedau balai iyo beraki yang kena kesini. Kawai pat kabang aslo kalau kebenaran nama United Nations tu kasi banjur hai kadang kata kalau ban kenmaru yang kentai di belakang ban lek ki bakam pela bat ki bakam gerbang namla ban je ban niu kita lo gini kita te paro ki blanok siang lembah ki jingtre bakam pe ki bagi lek ki balik se ha juk ka bagi ki dan life is not measured by the number of breaths we take but by moments that take a breath away dia kata kalau berengkam kamti ki jurang jog ke jingil ndre ayu ni le ha kita ki khilmat ki bami dia kata kalau ke iki apa ni ke iki apa kini kentai haki ni buat belajar kita lihat
bagi kenal dekat jingrakhi dekat
International Women's Day, which is all over the world. So I wish you all, first of all, happy. I don't know, happy in the sense that we have progressed much. We have gone a long way. Dan bon kimayas kami haknya. Bon the challenges kami haknya. Kadang kadang kita markers, kung kita ski, kita mau tak nong ina apoy, but shanong ina. Kadang kadang kita berjaya. Dengan sukmen tadi apa? Tarai cis pasnya mencuba. Hanging pat yan lu ini menyo ini tandong kami. Renenta pada apa? Ia dan kat nong sukmen tambah. Kini ikmat yang itu ke community juga. Kini ikmat namun tak itu kibir kentai kibir manway dan lagi kena sauna sirang bat kentai bat ikram basyon. Kini ikmat namun tak juga. Bat keteli maka nong kebaim. The localities jom pilih kebaim. Appears all people challenges, I'm sure. But at the same time, kita ingat bahawa kita ensure John kata about the atmosphere of your locality, the strength of your localities. That's why kita dah. Kadang kita ramai pi, dan kamtam kita belami kemat bon siang, but don't pi pinjau ki awards. Dan kadang kita yang special buram tentang si yang itu kita pinjau ki awards. In the sense that Pishim namanta yang kilong kami, yang kita ki unsung heroes, yang kita beliau ki mission kita. Kidon kiskir kia durut ki jong ki dong ha ki eman kesalam henry mapi pada ki dong ki leaders ki bagian nama tajongki. So you stand on their shoulders, no? Ki terpeng ki jongki ki bangin yo I tambah ide ki betul chat board ki ba I board ya feel kata ki represent all those kawan takasi gadida. There's so many heroes, but then heroes role and ki leaders, the grassroots leaders kembali ke Tong.
International Women's Day. Kata kadang kada mangina kalian juga megalia Asia Workers Union hilawan hanya. Dengan so benpau kajing kublai bakajing sungu. Kami ya imam berdoa
way pihak ri pihak banpet bersumar dia lagi tu pikir fikir. Dia tidak bankiat. Ya kecil ya kebentang aku orang bah bersih lagi cikik nak kebentang pikir fikir. Baki kentai kita kebentang bakau kabadai bat imlang kesalam. Lada klem ki kentai yang ban ong baka pertai kan long baka klem dua. Kasem klem di tabnya kan mak ban dia. Bat kai ke pelong. Kabasu tenak e bani ni oban bat ya jadi kesi ko tang kalau kam tam ha kariti ko dusto to ni kasi. Ha kabadai bat kentai kita kebentang bakau madu nak ko kamai saja. Ha kabani la kundo bani snai pan krau bitun biti. Banti kalau main lani kalau dia kalau sen begini. Ya kalau kan dia kata bentang ni dia cuba bahan keran kan dia opor bayar dia berkimia. Let's say kita nak balik snow yang aku bangat dan bangat balik snow. Maniru hakoi kisi ngin hak banyak ya keju kendi ke bamaki dia. Ni snow purong sikat dai ya kimia ki jomi. Bahkan hak dikata kita niu i bagi dah pada komen ke masyarakat kebakaran dilak dari syok mungkin bagi kedua kemat waktu sama ti jopi masuk ru banau meyet kapan ni dah non nak ni ngin hak ban pun la de priang pun ya ke ko blei la benta mak benta di sini betul nama ni sumbu kata ke di ni bani apa ni bak hak ka bakut ngin hak berpendem ya la de di jinduai mau blei bukan ai bor ya ti we jingum kemen makin nang yo ya kemet kebasat kebakaran makin nang la ban im syok pra syam entah ke cicak yo blei tu ya ro yo try an anu yo try la ko do ro na ke jingya lam ki no ba ke jingya sen ba kra ki jingya yo try pelawat ya ki da kita baro ki de ki kakam jo ulong kalong ko buram ba ke jing dan buram ba kan ba ko hak jo ko kan ne kina
Dia perlok dah ketua ngilah pois kebakut jeng untuk kubor jengi mentah kejan miet ngin se syam biang bat pil syam tayo haga jok kesngi bat haga jok kapor kublai shibo ne kapor jong pi bat tiasok